In a quiet, distant village lived a young girl named Emin. She was gentle, sensitive, and deeply empathetic. People would often say she has a pure heart. But Emin herself often felt drained, confused, and emotionally overwhelmed. One day, a mystic passed through her village. His face glowed with peace, his voice was calm, and his eyes held a strange, soothing depth. Emin felt drawn to him without knowing why. The mystic smiled and asked, "You look tired, my child." Emin replied, "My heart is pure, but my soul feels heavy. Sometimes even joy makes me cry, and sorrow leaves me silent. I don't understand what's happening." The mystic looked into her eyes and said, "It's your aura speaking to you." Emin blinked in confusion. "Aura? What is that?" The mystic's explanation: every person has a halo of energy around their body, like the glow of a lamp in mist. This aura reflects your emotions, thoughts, intentions, and spiritual state. When you act with kindness, speak the truth, and radiate love, your aura shines brightly. But if your heart holds anger, jealousy, or bitterness, your aura dims, and your soul begins to feel tired. Emin's eyes welled with tears. "So when I feel others' pain and cry for them, is that also my aura?" The mystic nodded slowly. "Yes, your aura is sensitive. Your light absorbs the darkness around you. But now you must learn how to protect your light." The mystic's advice to cleanse and strengthen the aura: sit in silence each day. Pour your burdens into prayer. Remember the divine. Let your inner light awaken. Avoid toxic people and thoughts. They dim your glow. Trust your heart's truth. Your aura will naturally shine. In the end, a few days later, Emin's face glowed with peace, her voice held quiet strength, and her heart felt light. People admired her even more, but now she knew, to truly shine, the heart must first be cleaned. Moral: your aura is your invisible robe. Whatever you are within will reflect around you. Clean the heart, purify the soul, and your light will protect and guide you. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share.